Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be seeing how to navigate the iPad Pro. As you all know, there is no home button on the iPad Pro. Hi guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be seeing how to navigate the iPad Pro. As you all know, there is no more home button on the iPad Pro. So the navigating is all done by gesture. So we're going to be saying how to navigate or how to use all the different gesture to navigate your iPad Pro. So without wasting much time, let's get into this video. First thing first, how to unlock the iPad. To do that, you simply tap on the screen and you use the Face ID, then you swipe up. That is it, as simple as that. The next on the list is a multitasking dock, which you can see right on the bottom right here. That is the place where you keep important applications or applications that you use often. Now, you can add application on this dock or you can remove from it. To do that, you simply tap and hold, then you drag the application out. And if, for example, you want to put something like YouTube Studio, you tap and hold, then you drag it in. You tap and hold, you drag it in, and you tap and hold, take it out. When you're in an application, you can see the dock by simply swipe from the bottom, and you release your finger when you see the dock. And you can also hide it by simply swipe back downward. So you put it up to see the dock, you push it down to hide it. So that's how you do it. When you're in an application like this, you can go back to the home screen by simply swiping from the bottom and you release your finger, or you can pinch with 5 fingers and you close it just like this. So 2 ways you can do that, either by swiping and release or by pinching and close it. And to see the recently opened applications, you swipe up and you pause in the middle. These are all the recently used applications. You tap on it to open it. You drag and hold in the middle. You go back to it, drag, pause. And to clean up the recently used app, you simply swipe on each application just like this. You swipe up, you clean up all the recently used applications. Like right now, there are too many, so I simply need to do like this. In most devices, there is a possibility of you just tapping one button and you clean up everything. But on the iPad Pro, you simply have to do that on all the different recently used apps. So that's how you clean up. Next is how to access the control center. To do that, you simply swipe from the right top corner right here. And you can access all the different control center like the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi, the airplane mode, the music, the brightness, the volume, the camera, the touch, the flashlight, the silence mode, or the screen mirroring. The next on the list is how to access the notification panel. To do that, you simply drag from the middle top to the bottom. There, you're going to access all the different unread messages or unread notifications. To close it, you simply drag from the bottom back to the top. So just like this, top, bottom, or back to top, just like this. To search for anything on the iPad Pro, you simply tap in the middle of the screen and drag downward. There you can search for anything. And to exit, you tap in the middle, just like this. Tap and drag. Tap to exit. Okay, the next is how to switch between apps. And to do that, you simply swipe right from the bottom to see the previous applications. Or you swipe left to see the next application. Swipe right for previous. Swipe left for the next. Or you can swipe across the screen with 4 fingers to switch between apps, just like this. So that's how you switch between applications. To access Siri, the Apple voice assistant, there are 2 ways in which you can do that. By simply saying, "Hey Siri," and you say whatever you want to say, or you tap and hold on the power button and you access Siri. So those are the 2 ways in which you can access the Apple voice assistant, Siri. To take a screenshot on the iPad Pro, you simply press the power button and the volume plus at the same time, just like this. Then you got the screenshot. If you want to dismiss it, you swipe left. And if you want to share it, you tap on it. Then you can draw anything you want to draw on it and you can share it. So that's how you take a screenshot on the iPad Pro. There are 2 ways in which you can turn off the iPad Pro. The first is by quickly press and release the volume plus and the volume minus, then the power button. It's going to turn it off. The second way in which you can do that is by getting into the settings. You scroll down to general and you scroll right down at the bottom, shutdown. When you press, you tap on it, then you slide. Automatically, you turn off your iPad Pro. That's all about this video. But for more about the iPad Pro, please subscribe and turn on notification. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and see you into the next one. Peace.